Hi and welcome to Campr. With the school holidays and Easter fast approaching, we're checking out our top spots for a glamping holiday. There's the usual laughs and the ARB swag too, but let's start the show with our fishing guru Sammy Hitsky and Savage Gear's latest top-of-the-range baitcaster.
How often have you thought to yourself, the spin reel's just not going to cut it here? Well, today we've got one for you. We're checking out the Savage Gear Finezze 200 size baitcaster. Now, we're going to be unboxing this guy. I haven't actually seen one myself, so it's going to be a good little trip for me as well. One thing I do like about the Savage Gear products is they've got all the essential information here on the box. So all the things I want to know about a reel before I buy it are right here in big writing for me to see. So from the outset, 7.1 to 1 gear ratios. So I know retrieving lures with this guy is going to be no worries at all. I can get it going quickly, I can slow roll it. I've got speed at my disposal. It's got 10 bearings, so I don't even know where they'd fit 10 bearings in this guy, but I know it's going to be smooth. It's got 9 kilos of drag, so next time a jack grabs me lure and needs to go back to the rock bar, he ain't going anywhere. I can tell you the hot tip right now. And it weighs 189 grams, which for a 2000 size baitcaster is pretty standard. So let's check him out. Oh, I like that. So comes with a little neoprene storage case. Keeps your reel from getting scratched or for storage purposes. Not bad at all. We've got our reel. Tell you what, it looks pretty good. A bit of padding. Aha. The customary Savage Gear thank you note. Says congratulations, your new Savage Gear. Yada, yada, yada. Say g'day on the Facebook page. Check them out. It's always a nice touch. Got our warranty and care instructions, and we've got our schematic view in the bottom, and that's about it. So blow apart, you know which one it is. Out of the way. Now on, get back in there. Now on to the fun stuff. Tell you what, that's not bad at all. That is not bad at all. That feels really smooth. 10 ball bearings, you'd hope so. Struth. So I've just clicked the casting clicker in there, and it is still spinning, just stop now. So what that says to me is this guy is going to be an absolute weapon casting lures. So lures are sometimes a little hard to cast because they're light, but when you've got a cast spool like that that's as free as that, you know you're going to be able to cast those small ones. And on the side here we've got the micro adjustment cast controller. So if you need to fine tune your cast, you're not getting quite what you need from this guy here, you just adjust this one to suit, and that's going to really fine tune your casting. Now on the side you've got your drag knob, so you can screw that up. With 9 kilos of drag you can screw that all the way up and really stop whatever you want. In the hand it actually feels quite nice, it's very smooth and it's a good size too, it fits nice and comfortably in the palm of your hand. For a 200 size reel you can fit a fair bit of line in there, and yeah, that's going to be comfortable to fish with, from jacks to barra to all sorts of things. So if you want a reel that's going to stop a fish in its tracks next time you go out, check out the Savage Gear Finezze 200. I'll catch you on the next drift.
To check out the full range of Savage Gear, head to your local BCF store. G'day, Dean Miller from Campr. To celebrate the launch of our new online TV show, we're giving away a fabulous ARB Skydome Series 1 swag. It's valued at $430. It's the best swag on the market, and here's how you win it. Click on the link below to enter the competition, and to increase your number of entries, just follow the prompts. The more entries you have, the more chance of winning, and you've got to be in it to win it. The ARB Skydome Series 1 swag is the most comfortable and airy swag that I've ever slept in. Made of heavy-duty materials with terrific ventilation and 100% waterproof, the swag retails for $430, but it could be yours for free just for entering. The prize will be drawn on Friday, April 13. Register now and good luck. An Easter holiday with the kids doesn't need to be expensive. Here are our top 3 glamping getaways for the upcoming Easter break. Number 3, Agnes Water Caravan Park, a cabin by the sea. Number 2, a Gordon Country teepee. And our number 1 top tip for an inexpensive glamping holiday for Easter, castaways at Bulwer, Moreton Island. Happy Easter, and we hope the Easter Bunny finds you wherever you are. That's today's edition of Campr. See you next time.